Hello again. I hope you're doing well and beautiful day. Today is April, end of April 2026, and here we have Victorian style door. You see how they have the nice little star glasses? Like, someone really cared about this, but why did they paint it? I don't know. I don't know why they painted that beautiful glass. We're going to bring new life to the old. I think I'd like to put a cat door here for some of our cats, so the raccoons can't get in. You don't have to throw everything away. Everything is there to refurbish, make new. Don't panic. Keep it organic. There's treasure. There's treasure here. Just have to know how to find it.
I don't need to restore it, so I get it new on Amazon Prime.
No. See, look at that. By taking something that is old and worn out and putting new life into it, refurbishing, renovating it, we are honoring the work of our ancestors, the work of those who put their love and compassion into the craft, and we are reinventing it in the moment and passing it on to the future in a way that is sustainable. And that is what Earth Day should be about. Okay, I'm gonna try an X-Acto knife, but I don't think that'll work. If I score it, no. And we have broken through. So now, maybe I'm gonna sand these edges so the cats don't get hurt. But yeah, it's cool. Glass. Disaster befalleth. But do not get discouraged, like I said before. I will have to find another pane for this one. And it won't be perfect. But it will be more interesting. So this will have to be replaced. Now you gently have to pry these up, almost like being a surgeon.